Okay, you gotta stay over there. We have to see who's right. Okay, let's say the pattern again. Ready? Purple circle, blue square. Purple circle, blue square. Do you have your shapes?
Yes.
Okay, 5 jumping jacks. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's have Nevaeh come up. Let's see. If we look at colors, purple, blue, white. Okay, have a seat, Nevaeh. Let's try Blair. Come on.
And can we try again?
Let's see. Purple, blue, purple, blue, purple. Is the colors right?
I had purple, but I needed a tinge into a blue purple.
A blue purple?
No,
He has.
supposed to be circle. That's a purple hair.
That's right. He has the purple square, but he needs the purple
Circle.
purple circle. So let's go up there. Everybody that has a purple circle, go up there. Purple circle, purple circle. All right. Now let's try our pattern. Ready? Purple circle, blue square. Purple circle, blue square. And we have all of our purple circles right here.